Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to integrate AI email builder with fresh Laravel Inertia and React application step by step. Let's get started. We're going to create a new Laravel project with React starter kit and we're going to name it APX demo. Choose React as your starter kit, and once new project scaffolding finished, we will open this project in VS Code. Now we're gonna head over to the documentation website and we're gonna click Laravel Inertia React documentation page. Here we can see we need to install Composer authentication credentials. So we're gonna copy this command and run into the terminal. Make sure to replace your username and API token with your email and the API token you got from emailbuilder.tab. It's gonna create auth.json file, and we're gonna make sure that we have auth.json added to git ignore. Next, we need to add repository URL. So we're gonna copy this command and run in a terminal, which will add URL to your composer.json file. Next, we need to use .test domain. For that, we're gonna head over to our .env file and update the app URL. We also need to add these environment variables. So we're gonna copy all of them and we need to head over back to .env file and paste in there. Make sure you replace this token variable with your actual token. Update your API URL with your domain and API prefix. We also gonna update AI provider. Here we're gonna use DeepSeek, but you are free to choose from several others. And we also need to add DeepSeek API and a model. For now, we're gonna choose DeepSeek Chat. We're gonna install Laravel Sanctum for API authorization and authentication. And next, we need to install JavaScript dependencies. For need, we need to add npm repo from email builder. So we're gonna copy that command and run in a terminal. Make sure to replace your API key. This will create .npm rc file in root of your project, and we also have to make sure we have added this npm rc file in git ignore. Next, we're gonna install the dependencies by copying that command and run in a terminal. It's gonna add React table, Axios, email builder, and other shared CN components. Now it's the time to install email builder composer package. Copy that command and run in a terminal. It will add email builder Laravel package to your web app. And now we have email builder install command available, and we're gonna run in project root. Select Inertia and React as a framework and run migration, and it also gonna install some dependencies. Now we need to add routes created by the installation command to our bootstrap app.php file. It will make aware Laravel about the routes related to email builder. So we're gonna copy that route path and gonna add to web and API parameters with routing method. We're also gonna add API prefix parameter. Then we need to add stateful API middleware for Laravel Sanctum. We need to tell Vite to skip pre-bundling email builder React Core JavaScript package for correct processing. Now we're gonna run Wayfinder generate command to create TypeScript route helpers from your Laravel routes for seamless front-end integration. Before adding UI access to Laravel frontend, we're gonna seed Laravel with default test user. So we're gonna run PHP artisan migrate fresh with seed flag. Now use those credentials test at example.com and password to log into the demo website. We need to add front-end menu for email builder UI access. For that, we're gonna update app sidebar file and we're gonna add menu items in the main nav items. So copy the routes and add to main nav items. Also add the icons. You can change the icons as per your requirement. And we're gonna rebuild the React code. Now when we refresh, we will see email templates menu and email receivables menu items. Before we start creating emails with AI, we need to update email builder placeholders with our business info such as style, typography, and business nature and other business related informations. Open business placeholders file located in email builder placeholder directory and update value items according to your business nature. I will pause the video and replace business info with APX demo information and add some assets related to the demo such as logo and icons. After a pause, I have replaced business information with APX demo business information. I have also placed some assets file in public assets folder. You can update style placeholders and typography placeholders and update its values to match your business brand identity. Now we are ready to create our first email with AI. Email Builder provides all the information related to the business to AI to craft professional email matching your brand. We will create an email to verify newly registered user email address. We will write a prompt and hit generate button. It will create the email and it will also add the subject for you. Once the email is generated, you can further customize it as per desire. That's it for this video. In coming video, we will see how to use the generated HTML to send via your mail provider.